Sometimes I've done readings in New York for some of the publications that have published my poems. Yes, so I'd like to do more of the readings. I love doing readings. I think it's because part of me still is kind of a frustrated singer. So if I get to do readings, then it's kind of like a way of performing, which I think is nice. And I like poetry to have a certain, I like poetry to be musical and to be capable of being performed in that way, because I think it's a nice way of sharing it, rather than just seeing it on the page. And I think that's why, poets who are also songwriters become so beloved. So why we really love the poems of Leonard Cohen or some Yiddish poems that have been set to music, like Itzik Munger, and there's something about hearing a poem as music that I think really transmits the emotion of it in a very powerful way.